Hey, returning subscribers, thanks and welcome to RPA Trucking and Survival. Thanks for coming back. So, who do you contact? Emily WYSMIERSKI. Her info is in the description box below. Beneath that, you'll find the application. Hit that link, take you straight over to the night transportation website where you can begin filling out the application. Fill it out thoroughly and correctly. Okay? And now, if you have a little bit of trouble contacting Emily, let me know directly, and I will figure all that out for you. I'll take a screenshot of our conversation, I'll forward it to her. Emily is very prompt in getting back to me. Understand that the recruiters, they all take the weekends off, unless you're about to start school. Then they will answer your email very, very quickly. My whole process was finished within a week. I got my DOT physical, I went to the DMV. That was all in 2 days. Once I finished that, I let Emily know. She had me set up that very week, sent me my hotel and school information on that Saturday, and then I left Monday. Because school was to start on Tuesday, there was a Labor Day holiday. So, that's it, man. Very simple. Remember, if you cannot get a hold of Emily, contact me. Okay, my Instagram is down below, as well as on here, I monitor my YouTube. I also monitor my email, redpillaware@yahoo.com. You can contact me there as well. So, any other questions, any other comments, down below, email me, add me on Instagram. And right now, I haven't changed my Instagram yet. It is still RPA and Survival, but I'm thinking about changing it to RPA Trucking and Survival just because, it's easier. There's been a few emails I gotten from people say, hey man, I can't find you. But as soon as you hit RPA, I should come up. So, anyways, that's what you do, okay? Just fill out that application first in the description box below. Then go to Emily and contact her, okay? It'll probably put you in touch with the recruiter once you apply, but go to Emily, okay? She's great. I love the way she took care of everything. It was very quick. She was very clear, okay? School tuition, $3,495. I mean, that's the best you can find out there, man. It's really, really good. It's worth it. Here I am, my 4th week solo, coming up on a month solo. No complaints. No complaints at all. So, you guys have yourselves a good day. Stay safe for all you truckers out there and new recruits, new truckers. Use that Smith system. Keep a nice even distance between you and the traffic ahead, and keep those eyes moving, man. Always be scanning. Always be scanning. Aim high in steering. Get the big picture. Okay? Keep your eyes moving. Leave yourself an out. Make sure they see you. All the time. You guys take care. Have a good day. See you all on the road.